Ira, a shy 5-year-old girl with pigtails, sits alone at a desk in the bustling classroom. She watches as her classmates Lily and Priya giggle and play together in a corner. Look at Ira over there, all by herself. I know, she never talks to anyone. Ira's eyes fills with determination as she musters up the courage to approach them. Ira stands up and walks over to Lily and Priya. She clears her throat nervously. Hi, can I play with you? Lily and Priya exchange glances, then break into smiles. Sure, Ira, you can be our friend. Ira's face lights up with joy and she joins in their game, the sound of their laughter filling the classroom.